found shipwreck sheds light on the Bermuda Triangle. A ship lost in the Bermuda Triangle in 1925 has just been found. The ship was named the SS Cotopaxi, and it set sail on November 29, 1925. It was coming from Charleston, South Carolina, and headed to Havana, Cuba. A tropical storm sank the ship soon after the crew set sail. It then disappeared. Shipwreck hunters found the remains of the boat in Florida just recently. Their adventures will be part of the Science Channel's Shipwreck Secrets show to premiere on February 9. The SS Cotopaxi is only one of the many that have fallen victim to the Bermuda Triangle. Although people think the triangle is mysterious and mythical, it isn't. The Bermuda Triangle makes up a huge chunk of the Atlantic Ocean. It lies in between Puerto Rico, Bermuda, and Miami. It is also known as the Devil's Triangle. It became a legendary area because of unexplained disappearances. Airplanes and ships have disappeared in and above the triangle. One incident saw U.S. Navy bombers become disoriented as they were flying. The 5 Navy bombers had 14 men on board. They had left Florida to practice around the area. The crew's compasses malfunctioned. They disappeared after they ran out of fuel in the air. A rescue plane carrying 13 people disappeared right after them. It is true that planes and ships disappear in the Bermuda Triangle. The problem is that there is no proof it happens more often here than anywhere else in the world. The Bermuda Triangle has been written about since the time of Christopher Columbus. Columbus was an Italian colonizer who discovered the Americas. He wrote that on his first trip, he saw a meteor crash into the sea. He also had trouble with his compass. However, historians note the true north and magnetic north lined up in the triangle. The Bermuda Triangle again gained notoriety because of William Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote The Tempest, which people said was based on the Bermuda shipwreck. In 1918, a Navy cargo ship sank in the triangle. The USS Cyclops had more than 300 men on board. The strange part about the tragedy is the ship didn't send out a distress signal. Authorities searched for the ship, but the wreckage was never found. 2 sister ships of the Cyclops also disappeared in the triangle in 1941. In 1964, author Vincent Gaddis was the first to call the area the Bermuda Triangle. The term became even more popular in 1974. That year, author Charles Berlitz wrote about it in a bestseller. Thousands of people have theorized on the cause of the disappearances. Some scientists believe magnetic anomalies caused the confusion. Others believe methane gas erupted on the ocean floor. The accepted explanation is that there is no truth to the Bermuda Triangle at all. It isn't an especially dangerous area compared to other bodies of water. The U.S. Coast Guard says they have never identified extraordinary causes for the disappearances. Neither has Lloyd's of London, a maritime insurance leader. There is no cause for concern in the Bermuda Triangle. However, the legend will probably live on.